بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Respected parents and my dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. Students, this is your English class. Let's start our studies. This is your new English book, Cambridge Scholar Series, Primary Standard English for Class 1. You have to buy this English book, okay, students? This is your English book for class 1. Students, all of you open page 4. Can you see what is written here? This is page 4. All of you open this page. Hurry up. Students, this is unit 1 on page 4, and the name of unit 1 is Allah is one. Allah is one. What is the name of this unit? Allah is one. Very good. Okay, students, now I am reading this poem and you have to read with me. Allah is one. Allah is one. Allah is one. Created everyone. Created everyone. Created everyone. Allah is one. Allah is one. Allah is one. Feeds everyone. Feeds everyone. Feeds everyone. Are you reading with me? Very good. Allah is all in all. Allah is all in all. Allah is all in all. Sees everyone. Sees everyone. Sees everyone. Allah is one. Allah is one. Allah is one. Guides everyone. Guides everyone. Guides everyone. Allah is one. Allah is one. Allah is one. Very good, students. Okay, dear students, I am reading it once again and you have to read it carefully with your teacher. Allah is one, created everyone. Allah is one, feeds everyone. Allah is all in all, sees everyone. Allah is one. Allah is one. Guides everyone. Guides everyone. Allah is one. My dear students, do you know what this poem is about? This poem is Hamd. Hamd. हमद में अल्लाह ताला की तारीफ बयान की जाती है. So, on page 4, you are reading Hamd. Now, I will translate this for you. Okay? So, you have to concentrate it and you have to properly see what your teacher is reading and explaining. Allah is one. अल्लाह एक है. अल्लाह एक है. Created everyone. Created everyone. अल्लाह ताला ने हम सबको पैदा किया है. क्रिएटेड पैदा करना. एवरीवन हर एक को. अल्लाह इज़ वन. अल्लाह एक है. फीड्स एवरीवन. अल्लाह सबको खाना खिलाता है. फीड्स एवरीवन. फीड्स खाना खिलाना. अल्लाह इज़ ऑल इन ऑल. अल्लाह ही सब कुछ है. अल्लाह ही हर चीज़ पर कादिर है. हर काम अल्लाह ताला ही करता है. सीज़ एवरीवन. सीज़ देखना. अल्लाह ताला हम सबको देख रहा है. हम सबका ख्याल रखता है. अल्लाह इज़ वन. अल्लाह एक है. गाइड्स एवरीवन. गाइड्स. डू यू नो द मीनिंग ऑफ गाइड्स? गाइड्स टू शो द राइट वे. सीधा रास्ता दिखाना. अल्लाह गाइड्स एवरीवन. अल्लाह ताला हर एक को सीधा रास्ता दिखाता है. अल्लाह इज़ वन. अल्लाह एक है. Are you reading with me, students? Very good. Excellent. Okay, my dear students. Now can you see that your teacher has underlined the difficult words? I have underlined the difficult words. So you have to underline the difficult words in your books and you have to read them carefully. Okay, let's start reading with me. Allah. Allah. One. One. Created. Created. Feeds. Feeds. Everyone. Everyone. All. All. Sees. Sees. Guides. Guides. So students, we have read this Hamd on page 4. Allah is one. And now this is your homework time. Okay dear students, now this is your homework time. And your homework is read poem or Hamd Allah is one and underline the difficult words. Read poem Allah is one and underline the difficult words as your teacher have underlined them. And then you have to share the picture of your homework in your WhatsApp groups. Okay students, after completing your homework, you have to take the picture of your homework and then you have to share that in your WhatsApp groups. Okay dear students, I hope you have enjoyed today's class. Stay home, stay safe. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما.